Action! There's never been a movie made from the indie perspective. You know, the struggle to make it as an actor, director, producer, and so on, to get that elusive Hollywood movie break.
And there's no fight scenes, there's no blood, there's no guts.
Guys, listen, Sunset Dreams, it's not all about the babes, boobs, and blood.
I mean, you gotta have this stuff in here.
To love somebody is to want to be with that person.
Hi, Gloria. I'm Bill.
I'm so sick of this whole acting thing. I'm going home.
Hey, Gloria, please don't go. I will make you a deal.
I'm gonna help make you a movie star.
How can I ever repay you?
Hey, Rob, over here.
I'm going to write you a check for $100,000 to option purchase. You will get the remaining balance of $900,000 after we meet with investors.
Hello?
We're offering you the lead role of Kim.
That's $1 million in your movie.
Take it easy.
Now, of course, prehistoric birds, vultures and eagles were much larger than the modern day eagles and vultures. The Merriam's teratorn is the ancestor of the present day vulture.
Yesterday, it rained dead birds. 5,000 birds fell from the sky and were found dead in Babe, Arkansas, Kentucky. A pastor has said it is an omen, a religious meaning of the end of days.
Is there any way to stop the bird attack?
No, there are too many of them.
It is Armageddon, the end of days.
They check. Everyone is dead.
The seas of the earth are rising.
Hey, we should go in that zoo. There might be people in there.
Wait. The last time we took a detour was through that cemetery. And do you remember what happened?
Hey, whoa, guys. There's something wrong with them. They're zombies. What?
Stop, don't move!
Want some?
Bird attack is set and killed everybody.
But what if the animals try to attack us?
We can defend ourselves. We have guns.